Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix input lag for Stalker 2. Okay, the first thing you want to do is enable NVIDIA Reflex. So go to NVIDIA Control Panel, navigate to 3D Settings, find the low latency mode. So first here you want to find the game. So you want to find Stalker 2 on this list. Then you want to find a low latency mode here and set this to Ultra. Then click apply and click hit changes. That's the first thing you want to do. Then you want to turn off frame generation. So open the game settings in Stalker 2, locate frame generation option, disable frame generation, and restart the game and check for improvements. Solution 3, open the game settings in Stalker 2, navigate to graphics or video settings, enable either DLSS or FSR. So DLSS works with NVIDIA GPUs, FSR works with AMD GPUs or other supported cards. Adjust the quality mode based on your preference and see if that fixes the issues. The next thing you want to do is go back to NVIDIA Control Panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings. Now check the following settings. So go to Power Management Mode. This is under Global Settings. So power management mode, so you want to select this as prefer maximum performance. Shader cache size, you want this to 10 gigabytes or above or unlimited. Low latency mode, so you want to set this to on or ultra. And vertical sync, you want to set as adaptive or fast. So this is on or fast. Apply the changes and relaunch the game. The next thing you want to do, console command, locate the engine.ini file in the game's configuration folder. Usually it's found in C users, your username, document stalker 2 config. Open the file with the text editor like Notepad, odd and modify line. So try this .ini, copy code. Actually be this. So you want to add this in, save the file, restart the game, or within the in-game console, type the following command. Type this here, press enter and apply the changes. And once you're in the game, you want to adjust the graphic settings. Hair quality set to low, light shafts disable, view distance set to far, lens flare disable, and you want to limit FPS. So enable VSync. Set the FPS limit to 30 FPS, enable frame generation, and save the changes and restart the game. And after you've done all this, see if that fixes the input lag. If this helped you, leave the video a like. If it didn't help you, leave the video a comment. I'll do my best to get back to you.